it's just a quick one from me today because the boys have been invited to a Frozen themed birthday party, and I had a very last minute panic when I realised I hadn't got a present, and I had this fabric in my stash. It is a Christmas fabric from Lewis and Irene called High Glow. It's probably not how you pronounce it. The little white snowflakes on it glow in the dark. And to me, this has always been Christmas fabric. But when I saw the invite for Frozen, I was like, I have a fabric which I never considered to look Frozen themed that's going to work perfectly. So I have made, or I'm in the process of making, the little girl's skirt. This is 45 centimetres of full width times 2. So you need just under a metre of fabric. I have made some pockets, literally just cut myself my own template, so they've, because you can't not have pockets, can you? So I've cut this out myself. On each 45 centimetre strip I have cut the pockets from the side, so it's not quite the full width. I've then sewn in the pockets, turned over what will be the elastic guide, and turned over a hem, and this, hopefully when I come back on, will be a skirt which I can take to the party as the most perfect Frozen little girl 5-year-old present. I have finished the skirt. It looks adorable. This fabric glows in the dark as well, so you know it's going to be a really cool party skirt. It's got the little pockets in it, because everybody needs pockets. And then I couldn't resist making something a little extra. In hindsight, I could have probably just made this and they would have been well happy. But with the little scraps, I've done a little star out of this fabric, and then I had this sparkly fabric left over from another project. I've used Bosal foam, which I've used to make bags and things with. It's amazing. It's double-sided, fusible. So I fused the Bosal in between the two sparkly bits, and then I've just used a glue gun. Well, I sewed on the ribbons first, and then used a glue gun to put the dowel in, and then some felt over top just to hide it so it doesn't look too like scruffy. And then I always have loads of scraps of ribbon, and I think this is the perfect little girl birthday present